Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing super white LED reverse lights on my Toyota 4Runner. We're going to go from looking like this to like this. Alright guys, so here's all the tools you're going to need. You're just going to need a set of LED bulbs that fit your vehicle. In my case, I am using a 7440 bulb size. If you need to figure out what bulb size you need, you can use the link below and you can enter your vehicle information and it will tell you what size your reverse lights are, or backup lights. In my case, I'll need a Phillips or a 10mm socket to remove the taillight housing. And I'm going to be using this impact drill to kind of speed things up. So this job's pretty simple. There's two 10mm bolts or Phillips head that hold on the tail light, and then you just pop it out. It's the same on both sides. So you see it's the same thing on this side and this side. And let me show you how to take it out. Alright, so I'm going to be using my impact 10mm, like I mentioned. Zip these bolts out. And all you're going to do is just basically hit it this way, because there's two pins here that holds it on as well. Alright, so there's three lights in here. The reverse light's the top one. Just twist this guy. There's the old bulb. Just pull it out. Stick the new guy in. Sometimes they're reverse polarity. If it doesn't work, try flipping it around. Stick it back in and just twist to lock. Here are those two pins I was talking about. They just slide under these two holes. And then put the two bolts back on. Simple as that. So before I put the other side in, I wanted to show you guys the comparison between the two. On the driver's side, we still have the OEM stock bulb, and on the passenger side, we have the super bright LED, and you can see it's pretty drastic difference. Here's a look at both the bulbs. They're pretty similar. You can see it's a little bit longer here, but it fits in the housing no problem. So that's one thing you want to consider when you buy these aftermarket bulbs, that it actually still fits in the headlight. This one fits no problem. Alright guys, here's what it looks like with both of them installed. As you can see, it's quite a bit brighter than the OEM halogen bulb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my garage lights so you guys can actually see how bright it actually really is. It's mind-blowingly bright. I'll just tell you that. The camera doesn't pick it all up, but you will definitely be noticed if you have these on your car. So you can see it's very bright. Pretty much lights up my whole garage. It was super quick and easy. Alright guys, so that about wraps up this video. Super easy mod. Paid about 25 bucks for these LEDs. You obviously can find cheaper ones. You know, they may be similar, who knows. I'll leave a link in the description to the bulbs that I used, and if you guys want to use the same ones, just go ahead and click that link and you can purchase the same one. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and tune in for more videos in the future.